Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI. That's required for Hyper-V to initialize. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell and check Hyper-V feature state and temporarily disable Device Guard or Credential Guard if present because they block the installer. Make sure Windows Update finished installing cumulative updates. Pending restarts break component registration. Finally, reboot into the configured firmware settings and return to run the installer as administrator. You now dig into the complex middle steps to clear conflicts and repair the Windows image. Run DISM with Restore Health to fix component store corruption. This fixes many installer warnings. Next, uninstall or disable other hypervisors like VirtualBox or Docker's legacy Hyper-V integration because they register drivers that collide. Once those are removed, use sfc/scano to ensure system files are consistent. Then run the Hyper-V installer elevated and monitor CBS logs in the Windows Logs folder to catch specific errors. You complete the final steps and apply one key troubleshooting tip if things go wrong. After a successful install, reboot and enable Hyper-V Manager and the Virtual Machine Platform optional feature, then create a test VM to confirm functionality. If the installer still shows warnings, collect setup diag output and CBS logs to identify the failing package and rerun DISM only on that component. If errors persist, perform an in-place upgrade repair to refresh system binaries while keeping apps and files. That resolves stubborn installer problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.